Okay, now the best part. Finally, we have our inventory, and it works by looting objects from the game scene, and we can equip the weapons. But we need to equip the weapon from inside our inventory, not only in the game scene, but we need to do it from the inventory bag itself. So let's go to our inventory grid, and over here where we click the objects that are in the bag, we're going to do the following. What we're going to do is that, we loot a gun, and if we press Control plus click, it will automatically equip the weapon from the inventory bag. So we need to create a big if else, and we're going to ask first if we get our left control pressed, so if we get our left control pressed, that means that we want to equip the selected slot. Okay. So if we don't click it, what we're going to do is to do what we were doing before. Okay. So we just add that one liner in there. Now, when we press, we need to know if that slot that we have clicked is not empty. So we do that by calling the control and controlling the function get objects in bag. Alright. And we're aiming for the position offset plus this formula that points us to the array where we clicked our button, and we're going to ask if that position is not empty. Okay, if it's different from null. The position is not empty. Now, remember our objects are going to have two scripts, one equipable and the object info. So if we have an object that is not equipable, then we are not going to be able to equip it. So what we're going to ask as well is that if this object, now that we know it's different from null, we need to know if it has the component equipable. And if it does, it's because it's different than null. Okay. Now, after we have asked all this, we can start working, but first of all, we need to make sure that our object is not equipped, okay? So that we don't have equipped any object at the moment. So we're going to have to call this function get object equipped, which is going to return us if the object we have one equipped already. So if we do have an object equipped already, what we're going to do is to go again to our position controller, and we're going to get this object, the object that it's equipped already, and we're going to get the component that it has this equipable, and what we're going to do is to unequip that object. Okay? Okay. Next, what we're going to do is to set that object that we have selected, this one, and we're going to make it active because our objects in the bag are deactivated. Okay? And finally, we just equip it. Equip object. Alright. And finally, we are going to release the slot that is being used, or the slot that we click to equip. Okay? So, and it's this slot here. So that's it. So that should do it. But before, let's go to our equipable function, and we need to set the rotation for our object. So we need to set it to 0 in X, Y, and Z. The identity. Okay, that should do it. So let's close everything, and let's try it out. So here we have it. Let's equip it. Okay, and right click. Now we're going to save this object, and we're going to press the control, and we're going to click it, and there we go. Here we have our object, and this other object is thrown away and on the floor, which was the object which was equipped before. Okay? So let's loot it again. And now we have it looted. We can control click it, and it comes out of our backpack and it works. Alright, so just play around and have fun. I hope you guys really enjoy this tutorial. It was a tough one, but we got through it. Alright.